Okay, I see that. How many of us? It's 15 guys with me, so just 14 joined. Uh, can we give some 2, 3 more minutes, guys? Because almost 30 said that want to be here. Okay, sunny Tuesday, 24th August. Okay, let's go. So you all see this, yes? My Forex simulator, and that now I'm choosing the date. Please let me know. I want to be sure that everything is working. Oh, new guys I see, yes? Marcus, Marius, Tobias. Lovely. And Cohen. Nice to see new fresh people in here. Oh, Mike, it's your birthday. Very good. So 21st August can be good. It's Monday last year. I'm just making the basic setups. Damn, I'm so stressed. I don't want to see the spread. Let's make last month. And yep. How many? One more guy joined. Okay. So I'm still waiting, okay, and just doing the basic setups. Oh no, I don't need to. Okay, it's very quiet. How was your trading week, guys? Can anyone share the results, big minus or some profits? How it was the whole week? Today I'm not trading as is NFP news, and I want to stay away from charts. Okay, no one want to share his results. Nothing bad. Yeah, exactly. Due to the NFP news, it's always the strange week. The best weeks for trading are the second and third week for me in every month. And I need to say something, guys. Sorry, big apologize if something will be loud, because it's heavy raining today and my kid with wife are also at home, and my little kid sometimes like to scream, and he's little devil. So sorry if he will he will be too loud. Okay, I'm not sure if any more people will join. We have 19 at this moment. So hello, Vixen, first woman in Zoom call. Hi, Maciek. Very good. My Polish friend also here. Nice. Okay, guys, I'm going to begin. Just need to check if there will be some news on this day. Just on New York. Okay, so we can take, I think, 1 or 2 trades on the London session. Nothing strange. Just low impact news.
Nie, wy możecie normalnie zdawać, mi tak przeszkadza.
I hear Polish. Could you guys please mute your microphones? Would be nice. Yes, Marius, I am recording this webinar, so it will be shared on the member zone. So I'm not sure how long it can take. Maybe 1 hour, maybe 45 minutes. The longest one was a bit over 1 hour in the previous group. Okay, so at first I want to move the charts. Let's go to the London. There's the best volatility and yeah, somewhere here. Yeah, so I'm starting with drawing the zones. Some range, nothing special in here. Yes, always the beginnings of backtesting sessions are boring. Here's not so strong, not so beautiful demand zone. I don't like this, honestly. Already 3 orders were taken from here, but I'm drawing this one. Nothing more on the left. Okay, this low is already taken. I could expect some buys, but it's just the first view. Here I would draw the main supply, and also here is something interesting. A lot of volume was here, so I'm marking just this as a maybe key level. Here could be on lower time frame drop, base and drop. And here is kind of small liquidity imbalance pool, just from week to the week. So this is my first view. Do you have questions to this part? This the most boring one. Maybe someone sees something more or a bit different way. From here, Vixen, I just think this big candle, the pin bar, could be the invitation probably to retail traders, because here was the break of structure, price shot to the up, failed to take this high, so huge pin bar, so huge week could be invitation to as a rejection from somewhere. This could be read like that, but then price dropped. So here was some big decision was made, and I think that here could be some orders be here. So I'm just drawing this as a baseline. If this wick could be a bit smaller, this could be another supply. Maybe on lower time frames this is interesting, but for now I'm just drawing this key level from here. Okay, I need to copy all those drawings to another time frames, and let's go to the M15. Oh yes, here is cleaner. Yes, here definitely we have supply. So I even don't need this key level now. I'm going to delete this. And here we have another supply. Now on the smaller time frame I can bit calibrate the imbalance pool to here from week to the week. here still sellers didn't met buyers. Yes, I want to. I prefer to see the imbalances on the M15. Just my personal maybe thing. Yes, mostly on M15. If I see the imbalance on higher time frames, as for example here is maybe something, I really like to see the first one on the way on the M15. And sometimes when I'm during the trade on the M5, when I see the imbalance, it's for me just a good TP, not entry, but the take profit level. Okay, so once again I want to copy this to lower time frames. I hope that this too just is more than needed. Let's go to M5 to get better view. So supply, imbalance and demand. For now I don't see anything nice. Right, let's go to the 1 minute. Okay, here I'm drawing the equal highs. This is the first thing. Price is here missing few times the demand, but this is already the 3 times, yes, on the high time frame the demand was taken. So what for now someone would be looking for if we have the price action like this? Any ideas what you want to take or not? Yeah, I would wait, as Vixen said, and Uran for a liquidity grab, especially that here's the imbalance pool. Demand was few times missed, but already is maybe empty zone. So if I would be looking for a sell, this demand would be very nice, take profit. You would be looking for a buys, RoboVolpo. Let's see. Yes, let's see. I want to see the reaction with this equal highs. What can happen? So let's switch to the 1 minute here, and we can start to hunt. Very interesting. Hold on. After reaction with 15-minute imbalance, I will wait for boss and see. Yes, this is Uran, what I am looking for now. Oh, perfect. Look guys, how nice perfection it is. Price just kissed this imbalance pool and could be potential as a liquidity grab from this. Yeah, the spike in volume, we need to remember just that this is the tick volume, but probably also in real here could be something interesting. This spike is amazing. So what I'm expecting is to see the reaction to the downside. Imbalance is taken. Let's see on the M15. Beautiful price action. If this demand will be broken, I will be looking for a sell. Still my voice is shaking, but I feel better than 10 minutes ago. insane. Very good. Look guys, this demand is broken. The last one, yes, here. So we have break of structure. Equal highs, liquidity grab, and boom to the downside. We are having fun on the other side of the screen. Yeah, me too. And so what I am looking now, this candle is very big, but this needs to be measured with our strategy as looking for how the price can behave on the 50%. So next bar, still growing volume, but I want to focus more on the price action. And now smaller bar, some weak to the upside, potential. Yeah, for me this is calming down. Yes, indecision candle with weak to the downside, then indecision candle with weak to the upside. Small bodies. So here's the small fight between buyers and sellers, and price is calming down. I want to see this more on the 50% area. Once again, higher volume, so we can give a time. Okay. And nice. Price is on the 50 now. The volume is going down. So this is, guys, what I'm every day doing. I'm marking imbalance, supply, demand, and I'm waiting for those equal highs and lows, especially when this is close to some important zone. Here for me the important zone is the M15 imbalance on the seller's side, because on this area sellers didn't meet buyers. So this imbalance could be potentially now filled, and this for me is forming the sell setup. I hope that you see, if someone is after course, the same thing. This for me is the safe setup to take a sell position. Maybe not right now. This is not, I'm not so happy because this is still close to the beginning. He could be the small supply made. For now this is 7 pips stop loss, the safe stop loss. This is too big for me. I prefer lower stop losses. Here is also the very small tiny imbalance still. Yes, this move was very sharp to the downside, and the sellers were stopped immediately by buyers. So that's why we see the wick from this big engulfing candle. Some chat is moving. I need to read the last messages. Yes, Vixen, for me 7 pips stop loss is too big. The setup is invalid. Okay guys, so let's see if this imbalance can be filled, because it's still so far from the supply. Here could be some orders still. Yeah, very good. Volume overall is going down, is decreasing. So it means that oh, I forgot the word. That price is calming down. Yes, that still is valid. Everything. Yeah, this is also touching the small supply. I would wait 1 or 2 more candles and enter the sell anyway if price will not go higher, but shouldn't. Yes, here we have liquidity grab and price made the supply. Marius, you are asking about my max SL. I always use 3 pips. Even if setup can give me potentially 1.5 pip, also we have some setups like this. I like to have always fixed 3 pips. I like to see bigger room for my to close my negative trade without full stop loss. Vixen, what you mean? It would be good to close below equal high. Yes, would be good, but I'm just now reacting to this supply. It is of course better if the candles also the measurement is below these highs. But now for me looks good, this price action. Even hanging man, I would take this trade, guys. One more candle. Hopefully this is not too late, but I like hanging mans. The volume is going up, but really this is the tick volume. I don't trust tick volumes. I like when this price action that we are on the small supply, we are on the bigger imbalance, we are also on the smaller imbalance. This is for me feeling the orders, and the guys are ready for a sell. Let's check now. Damn, still big 4.5 pip. Yes, this is big stop loss for me, but this is just a simulation. Yes, this is to show you the price action. I am taking this trade with so crazy big stop loss. Yes, I still hear on Instagram that this is cheating, that this is not possible to have stop loss like this. So for me 4.5 pip is too big, but we are going. I am risking always 1%. My account is here 5,000. I said 5,000 because in my opinion this is enough account to have a normal standard living and to leave the 9-to-5 job. Because with 5,000, if you can understand my strategy, you should make the 50% every month. So this is 2,500 euros. In my life standards, this is enough. It's still more than my last job monthly. So I said the 5,000 in the simulation, 1%. So I'm risking 50 euros in this trade. I need to ask you, of course, is here anyone who would also join the sellers now, who see that this is the creation of sell setup? It's very important that you can see this also with me. Thank you, Uran. Okay, so let's go. This is the sell setup. I am moving my stop loss above the measured candle, also above the supply. It is 4.3 pips. I'm risking 50, not euros, dollars. And take profit. I am not a greedy guy. Could be, of course, the demand, but this is 28 pips. For me as a scalper, this is really a lot. I like the area here where price went out of this range here. Here was the break of structure, some retests, or where how it is called. Price was sitting here. Looks nice. And this is almost 20 pips. So by risking 50, I could get the 220. Which round number? Ah, we have round number on the way. I didn't realize. I see that already the sharp move, the bearish move, could probably broke this line, made this invalid, and I am expecting nice way to the down. So this is the setup for almost 1-to-the-5. I like to see the 1-to-the-5. Yes, for me this is worth the time, worth the risk. If I'm aiming for 1-to-the-3, for me this is waste of time. Yes, maybe because of my experience, but I don't like to see setups 1-to-the-3. 1-to-the-5 is enough. Mostly I'm catching waves like that. I'm happy with if I see the 1-to-the-7, but not so often this year. The previous year the GU was moving way better. I got a lot of 1-to-the-10, 1-to-the-11, but maybe also my confidence was different. I was maybe too risky, but now I prefer 1-to-the-5. Okay guys, I'm talking too much. I'm no more stressed. I feel the flow. I want to do some trade. let's go. Yes, price closed below the 50. I am happy with that. So this is a good continuation of the hanging man. Volume came, so I'm in trade. Yes, very nice. Beautiful rejection with this 50 as a last kiss. And we are already 1% up. This is insane. Yes, in 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes we are 1% up. I don't like the decreasing volume, but I read this at the moment as retail traders don't know what's happening. they are probably buying and they are losing interest to take another position. But we are real volume traders. We are trading opposite than retails. And you can see here, beautiful, big volume on small candle. It's an impulse. I expect still going down. Also high volume. This is beautiful. Beautiful, really something happening here. I would hear the Vixen advice. We are on the halfway already. You can see here over 2% up. Very strong bearish movement. Only bearish candles. The rejection can happen every moment. Market is unpredictable. We cannot know when the big guys want to manipulate once again. I am moving my stop loss somewhere here below the 50% line, just to cover my first percent. I forgot how to do this. Oh yeah, trades. And somewhere here, even below. This is very tiny imbalance between this move. I don't want to see any reaction. This is plus 1%. Yes, I was risking 50 and I want to save a bit more. Minus fees, I can be really 1% up after all. Good, so we are safe. Yes, price took this small low here. The rejection can happen. Marius is asking something. How is your trade management looking like in general? I'm not moving exactly to the break even. I like to catch at least the 1% to cover my fees. My fees are big. I'm paying for my broker $140 for every trade. I like to have at least a few euros more for me. So this is the 1-to-1. This is my my best stop loss. Oh, this is never-ending movement. I'm not doing anything. I am just following the wave. For me, these weeks means that this is the invitation to stop to sell, to make one more buy position, because mostly retail traders are reading these weeks as rejection candles. I like to follow the week if I see the setup like this. This is our textbook setup with equal highs. So I'm not looking at the wicks. This is really invitation to take a buy. If this will happen, I am 1% safe. Doji. On Geoscalpers, I used to talk a lot about dojis. They are very often a sign of a pullback, of change of direction, and here will happen something. I want to move my stop loss once again, bit lower, to take more money. because dojis are killers. I don't like these candles. So one more time I'm moving where somewhere here to have $80 is also good. 7 pips in profits. Sound nice. So we are almost 3% up. Very good. Just opening of London session. And you can see really the first bullish candle. First time buyers are appeared, and let's see how far they want to go up. Impulse candle, hanging man, price cut as same as here, yes. Bullish movement as a pullback with hanging man as a invitation for a buy, but price is dropping. I'm expecting exactly same in here. This is crazy. Very good. Really guys, I seen this dozens times. It's really, this is effect of a lot of backtesting sessions on only one pair. It was kind of obsession for me last year. Really, I was doing sessions like 60 hours a week. It was 6 days and 10 hours daily. I almost sacrificed my marriage in this in this time. Don't do this, of course. It was really my obsession and big determination to leave my job. And I've seen this a lot of times. So this is reading like a book. Everything is possible. It's just about how much you want to be involved. Look guys, we are over 3.5% up. Once again, as on this move, appear the weeks. Yes, buyers trying still to stop the sellers. The retail traders are still putting the buy orders in the market. It's crazy. You would Vixen move the stop loss above the high? Yes, of course. I'm in the flow right now. But you are right. This is a very good idea to manage the trade, not to set and forget, but to be in the trade, to feel these emotions, and to manage your money. I am moving. Very good advice, Vixen. Thank you. As here, very nice. We are 10 pips up. 2% is safe. So if price will turn back, we are 2% up. Everyone understands the holding still the trade. Here are equal lows. I didn't see this before, so very high chances that price will take this. We can probably aim even lower, but here are equal lows, here are equal lows, so I want to see really deep invader to see. And yeah, it's going on. Good volume, and this should be done. Yeah, we are 4.5% up. Very nice. These all lows are already taken. Is here something more to hunt? I don't think so. How long we are here? 40 minutes. Do you have still time to look for another trade? I just need to drink coffee. I have problems with throat. Oh, I see only yeses. So let's go. Yeah, you can see guys now, the lows are taken. Very strong bearish move, so probably we can look for a buys right now. But but it could be too beautiful, yes, to take trade by trade. Let's calm down. My friend showed me his trading plan from our community, Pavel Michalec PP, and he have beautifully written that after every trade he's calming down for 10 minutes. I really like this rule because after wins we can have a lot of endorphins, can have good positive emotions, and we can destroy our earnings. Yes, this is recorded session, so no problem if you need to go or you don't have enough time. All sessions in future also will be recorded. Yeah, so let's see some few more bars. We are calming down, we are happy with profits, and let's see if it's possible to get 10% today without overtrading in just 2 trades. So what we have here, important move. Here's made the supply. I just don't like that this week is a bit higher than the base, but this move took all those lows. If this zone will be broken, we can talk about break of structure and liquidity grab and looking for a safe buy setup. Not now. Price is filling some orders, maybe very high volume, so potentially I really want to see break of this. High volume appeared, and this is a bit different what I seen on my previous group when I was a student, not the Geo Scalpers, that's the previous one. When on the course was that it is good when price is going with high volume to the zone. I think opposite way. I mostly think opposite way to other courses. For me, this is the sign that price too strong went into the zone and it can be broken. So way different thinking, totally opposite. For me, this is not good. Oh yeah, not good sign that price have a lot of volume inside the zone. So you can see this is not a fake out. I don't use this word. This is really making liquidity. Every move is for some reason, and I want to see buy setup. Yeah, I will share this record today's afternoon, so don't worry. Have a good day. I hope that you understood my way of thinking, that this zone is not valid because of too big volume. I am focused now only on looking for a buys. Price is calming down. Very big impulse. Big impulse below the zone. So once again, same story as appeared here. Price is too fast. It's like a big truck on the highway, 160 km/h. Yes, so two lows around 81. Yumi Vixen, this area here. Yes, would be safer to wait for taking this. Yeah, as I said before first trade, that this could be safe TP for a sell. Here are money. Price didn't react with this demand, and you have right, Vixen. Here are equal lows. Could be good to see price at first here. Here can be manipulation for us to take a too early buy. Maybe some new high can also appear here. Yeah, you are right. I would wait, especially that this is the space with money from the main big 1 hour time frame demand. So this can be like a zigzag move. I would really be not surprised to see another high, and then really maybe somewhere here we can find the buy setup when price want to calm down. So we are waiting for liquidity grab from this. Do you agree, guys? Do you see the same? I was focused now here on these lows and this move but it's also happening very often that price have big drop and doing the zigzag to the downside, and then we can probably see the accumulation phase. Very nice. So let's go. Yes, no more bullshit talk. Let's see. And you can see, guys, once again, big volume on zone. It's breaking. This is not valid. So do not trust all courses. I also didn't trust. I trust only myself and what I tested on backtesting sessions by my own. So yeah, this is the fresh new high. Price potentially can react from here. This is the drop, base and drop pattern. So here is the supply, but we have also here very strong movement. Maybe still some orders are here. This potentially I could see as a smart money concept. I have problems to say this word, concept. That they bought here to get a better price for a sell. So here cannot be only the sell pending orders, but also negative buy order. Because this move was beautiful as only bearish moves. So probably the big guys sacrificed something and left some still working buy order. So if we see something like this, it would be good to see closure at break even those buys, and as Vixen found here, a lot of big money could be still here. No, we cannot use the volume footprint while backtesting. This is unfortunately not possible. One guy in our group, probably Ken Young, yeah, his name is Ken Young. He has some I don't know, scripts or knowledge that how to use this on backtesting. I personally I have two left-handeds on all IT things, and I just don't know how to do this. I think that if you have NinjaTrader full version, you can backtest with this data, but I use just data from some Russian guy. He's just delivering to us. Yeah, so we have plan. We are waiting to see something here. Yes, let's see the bigger picture. On bigger picture is the copy what I am looking now on the smaller picture. You can see here very powerful strong drop. Price is doing equal lows. This is the accumulation phase. First high to invite probably two early buyers, but we are looking for deeper invasion, yes, to once again to react from this demand. The second fact is that if the reaction will be too strong, too deep, this can be also the break of structure and breaking of this demand, because already is used. Price spent here a lot of time. So safe is to see small liquidity grab, not too deep. Here's also could be money, but for me too deep move to this zone is break of structure. Small move is liquidity grab and fake invitation to sellers. I'm focused only on buys now. So you can see as a big drop, accumulation with lows and high. On small time frame we have also drop, equal lows, and we are doing fresh high. This is like fractal. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, and you can see still same moves, no matter what time frame. These are just candles. All candles in every time frame have same story. Perfection move to this zone, because probably these buys are already closed. Here's something also higher. Looks like last small demand. Yes, price was hanging here. It was the moment when I was also thinking to enter the trade, but then it was boom, the last shot to the upside before moving down. So probably here is the most important level. Let's see if price really want to go there. it's a bit calming down. Very nice price action. Those two candles together are like a pin bar, inverted pin bar. I use this pattern a lot of time because those two are like just a small body on the left candle, the bullish one, small body with huge wick. Yes, the buyers went up, but were automatically closed by sellers. So, redrawing this, here was more important. Here we had supply. I can do something hardcore now. 3 pips stop loss, guys. I am taking very hardcore sell. For me, a lot of confirmations that price is filling just orders and closed the negative buys at the moment. It could be very hardcore to the 1 to the 7. We can reach here 1 to the 7. Are you with me, guys, or this is too strong for you? Also volume went down, even tick. Yes, Vixen, also beautiful. Yes, this is the rejection, this is the eerie invitation, and then boom to the up. Exactly what happened here, guys. These all moves are repeatable. We just cannot be so nervous, so stressed. Do you see this comparison? This price action when I took the trade and also here, it's same. Ooh, I have goosebumps. So let's do the trade. I want to sell. This is exactly same setup as this one. Same perfect same movement with liquidity grab. Very tiny, as I prefer. 3 pips stop loss. And let's go to the liquidity grab. Hardcore, it's 20 pips, 1 to the 7 setup. Accept. And let's go. Let's run. Yay. And this is it. Same move, but just in 1 minute. Whoa, I like this one. We broke the structure definitely. Here's the last higher low is broken. Oh yes, I want to calm down. Price can react here. This move was so sharp that here can be imbalance, especially at the area where the break of structure was. Yes, probably on footprint chart we could see here imbalance. That in this moment sellers didn't meet buyers. The buyers haven't enough time to react. So here could be something. I still don't have any area to move my stop loss. What I see is just that the price made a supply. Even this week appeared exactly on my drawing. This is crazy, guys. Yes, this is crazy. Once our friend, the Christoph from the group, months ago, he asked me, Seb, so why are you not sitting all day on charts and making millions? Because no. Because I am a really humble guy. You know me for months. I want to take one trade and be with family. This one trade is for me monthly salary from last job. And I don't need more. Yes, I have very realistic goals and not trading as much. I'm not the Insta guru with Lambo. Some of you know what car I have. I'm not shy about it. And yeah, we have the imbalance is already taken, guys. This is incredible. Exactly what I drew this box. So if I could learn this, I was a truck driver. I was working in the brick factory in England. Really simple job. So if I could know this, got this knowledge, the skills, you can also. It's really just matter of hard work, and that's why I'm doing the interview for new members to join me before joining me, just to know if people are good with good intentions to really to learn, not to make money as the as the printer. Vixen, this is on the simulator. We have data from different provider, and you can see we are already on London session. This is the beginning of second hour in London. Yeah, so this is just different data provider. So that's why I moved before the session the candles to the beginning of London. Marius, I am taking now I trade even with lower risk. I'm doing at least 3, but I like to have 1 trade a day. If first trade is like loss, I'm taking another trade, and also if first trade is break even or just 2 small profits, I'm also taking the second. But I like to have 1 trade and close the platform and just work with group, with you guys, or just to fill my day. So Monday to the Thursday, 4 or 5 trades a week, without greed. Really, this is, I don't like to risk my money. For me, even 500 is a lot. I will never have account like 100,000 because I would get heart attack if I would see that my position is minus 1,000 in. Not for me. I'm risking 500. I feel comfortable with this, so just 1 trade and nothing more. Okay, next bar. We are going good. Yeah, so we can hear that my stress is disappeared already. I am in flow of the charts and trading. Now I am moving my stop loss. It's the good moment. Here's the imbalance. I hope that you can also see this. This move was very sharp. Here could be something. This is just 1 minute time frame, yes, so I'm not expecting anything safe as a reaction, especially that this move have only bearish candles. The buyers need to react finally. Here could be also some small order block. I am not happy of what I see, so I'm moving really my stop loss between those 2 boxes. Yes, this is recorded session, Ron. All sessions, all videos I will do will be recorded. So I am moving my stop loss right now. Yeah. Visual and somewhere here. Yes. And this is 3% up. That's $150. So I would be happy. If the first trade was 4.5%, I would be 7.5% after 2 trades in just the beginning of London session. So accept. We have still something on the way. Finally, some buyers appeared. Yes, this move is long enough, and something is here. But this low is still not taken. I expect really that we can go to our TP. Oh, these crazy dodges. I don't like dodgy on the way. Somehow I didn't focus on this one, but the move is really long enough. You would close it. Yeah, we are very deep. Price sat already also on this small demand. But if I would draw the demand like this, do you guys see the tiny space between those 2 boxes? These are my equal lows. This is my demand. Tiny, so tiny is beautiful that here are money. And if here are money, on those 2 tiny, this tiny space can also be money. I expect even lower than my TP. Yeah, Lewis, this is free money, but I am not a. I have specific view on money. I don't like money. Money are changing people. This is just my own opinion, of course. Don't get me wrong, guys. I don't like money, and I also didn't make a FTMO challenge because, also controversial opinion, I think that this is the shortcut. It's a very great challenge to make a fight with your emotions. I agree, but I made my account from 100 euros, guys, from January last year. I was sharing a lot of TFS community, some proofs, some trades, and I am proud that I made all from nothing. And this is also maybe the reason why I respect money so much. Sometimes 5, sometimes 7, sometimes I was in minus at the beginning. But honestly, yes, at the beginning was between 3 to 5% to make it fast. But it was also my looking for a strategy. I was risking more. I was younger, emotionally younger than now. Okay, guys, let's see what can happen. I am talking a lot, but yeah, maybe because a lot of new students appeared in our group. This is interesting. Look, guys, these indecision candles are like invitation to take a buy. Yes, because we are on demand. Maybe some negative sell orders are here. But yeah, and this is the what a lot of SMC courses are telling, that the all negative move can be the trapped sellers in this case. No, because I'm looking for a buy. We also know that here are money. So here's no negative order. Here these guys didn't make any sacrifice or something like this. Didn't, in my opinion, of course. I know that here money, this is the main demand, close to the important zone in the higher time frame. So really I trade different than other courses. I use only useful knowledge. Yeah, beautiful, guys, wonderful. So TP could be even a bit lower than we made. 2 trades, we are 1.5 hour, no, 1 hour and 11 minutes, or where is the time? 17 minutes. London session, and we are almost 12% up. I love this game. We are 1 hour. Do you want to look for a buy setup with me, or you don't have time? Just need to see how many of us is. Oh damn, 26 people. Good that I didn't check this before. A big audience for me. Yeah, I'm the flow, Marcus. You are you are right. Okay, so we can take a third trade because let's see on the higher time frame. This is wonderful setup. This is big drop. Price failed here to make lower low and is sitting on the main demand. This is what I mentioned in the course. This is the accumulation phase. Price is really doing some ping pong moves. He was the first high invitation to early buyers, but the money were here. So we can now look for a safe buy, in my opinion, because all criteria are already taken. Just maybe the second trade was a bit risky, especially that I was focused on the buys only, but the price action was exactly same as the first trade, so why not to take the same trade? Okay, Mike, thank you for being with me here. have a good night. Yeah, you are from the United States, so a bit different time. See you soon, yeah. Have a nice night. Okay, guys, so let's go. Price is calming down. Let's see some safe buy setup. For me, buy setup would be if we are breaking this supply, because this is liquidity grab move. Yes, here are also equal lows. Here were equal lows. All are taken by this move. If we are going deeper, I would look for sell. But this is the very nice, shiny, tiny reaction with the demand. All lows are already taken from the previous price action. No, Marius, I don't care about higher time frame. On the high time frames, I'm only drawing the main zones. I like to see the lower time frame as possible, because these guys are also doing their decisions on ticks. So for me, this is a very precision time frame, and I don't have balls to trade 30 seconds, but for me, this is accumulation phase. Very as a textbook to look for a safe buy setup. Price is once again calming down. We are on demand, so I'm looking for a buys. Only, of course, if the price can break this last supply as a confirmation that this is really just a liquidity grab. Damn, a lot of indecision. Beautiful. Price was delivered to the supply with so sharp move, very intensive. For me, this is once again the opposite view as on the course I finished as a last. That this is the proof, not that something is going on the zone, but as a big important sign that this zone will be broken soon. Yeah, really different point of view, but I use it every day. I'm trading with my view and I'm winning. Yes, so some courses need to be updated maybe, but I will not tell anything wrong about my opposites. These are good guys. So let's see what the price action can bring to us. I don't like this move, but I expect break of the zone. It's just matter of time. Look, guys, and this is the trap. This is beautiful example of trap. I will delete some drawings to make it more clean or cleaner. My grammar is still not good. We have this now. Traders would see here big drop and the pattern drop, base and drop. Even here the wick to the upside as a probably invitation to take a sell, but I'm focused on this bullish candle, this bullish even without wicks. So powerful buyers, they exactly knew where the price should be delivered. No thinking, no wicks. Also price made here the demand on the big demand. Exactly, Louis. Very low price to sell. These guys already earned a lot on the sell. Yes, it was the 200 pips move from top. So it's time to reversal. Just as I said, I would only look for buys if this supply will be broken. Sorry, need to drink water. I didn't expect this movement. I need to think. Oh yeah, let's see if these are some lows. Price already took this low and maybe closed some orders in here. Nothing bad. I'm not on any trade now. I'm just looking for confirmation to take what I want to take. Yeah, price is sitting here for some reason, and I don't know the reason. Here's definitely kind of support, but this is support inside demand. I am focused, oh yes, on one thing. So it was matter of time. You can see now, beautiful. Even if I would draw a trend line, it was broken. The supply is broken as expected. Now it is clean for me. Yes, this lower high and these all lower highs are taken. Beautiful sharp move, wonderful. So supply didn't exist. What I would do, I hope you also measure important candle which broke it. And what I like, not this, here this high, or maybe not this one, this one high is broken in the 50% of the candle. So this is the average. Yes, this is the reason why I like to use the 50% of Fibonacci. This match perfectly. So I would not be surprised if we can really take a trade from this area. But once again, this is so big. Safe stop loss is 6 pips, but this is the example of price action. Let's go. Hanging man, move to the down, price is calming down. Strong. And yes, impulse candle, a bit higher volume, but just the tick volume. I like the impulse because those two candles together means that here on the candle on the left I have just small body, and if price turn back is just one big wick, rejection wick, feeling the imbalance in here. I believe that this imbalance is already filled. 5 pips, still big, but I will use it. Is anyone who would take this trade with me? Here it looks like supply, yes, the indecision with leg out, but price turned back immediately. I see this and I read this as a feeling the imbalance because I'm focused only on buys right now. So I'm not using the so huge as 7 pips stop loss. I'm just below the last candle. It's 3.7, very risky. Very risky, and I hear someone. Please, yes, guys, please mute the. I know that I can do this from my side, but I don't know where. Okay, so I'm taking the buy with very tight stop loss for this setup. Not as advice. Advice should be here, yes, but this is big, 8 pips. I am setting it here. 3.5 pip is good. That's what I can accept. Who is talking? I just need to find how to mute all guys. I don't know where to make it. Sorry, I'm not an IT expert, but Zoom is very probably easy application. Okay, so question to you guys: where to put that take profit as a safe one? On bearish candle, which one you mean? We have very strong bearish move. You mean this one, yes? Here's very something interesting. Look, guys, if I said that these two sell setups were similar, so take a look where price went on here when he was equal highs with push to the up. Here we have also equal highs, very tiny, very small range, and push to the up. For me, could be very similar take profit as here. Is anyone who can agree with this idea of take profit? It's also a nice wave, 15 pips, almost 1 to the 5. Yes, so once again, the price here really, this high is on this equal highs. So probably we can have a mirror trade, mirror setup, mirror price action. And this is not just the 10 pips, this is the good setup. Oh, like this one, almost 16 pips to the beginning of this last push to the upside, where the probably resistance was or something like that. So I'm risking 55 and want to earn 250. Accept. This is my buy. This is the third trade and should be the last one. Let's go. First candle is good. I feel safe. The weak means that the sellers don't like this this price action, but I feel safe in the reason because this imbalance was already filled by the powerful move. Powerful move, as I mentioned a few times today, a lot of volume appeared in some zone. It can be, it's a matter of time when it probably will be broken. So I still continue my bullish vision. Once again, big fight. The sellers don't like the price action. And look, guys, at how many things appear on this candle. Weak to the upside, weak to the downside. Even the tick volume has a lot big volume bar. It means that probably on the real volume also something is here. This is the breaking of some zone, and here I would this is a very big zone. Yes, from this week to this we have another imbalance, and price is going to this area with high volume. Only bullish candles for now. I expect to break this everything. This is a powerful reaction on this from this demand. I'm just very impressed how this demand is strong. Price was here so long time, and we have very impulsive movement. All imbalances on the way on the higher time frame are already filled. A lot of weeks. Price is just as a steps going up very nicely. I want to see this as a baseline from this supply. Yeah, let's go. I hope that you see what I see, or you are not confused. If you are confused, ask me, or after Zoom send me private message. Very low volume, but price still didn't touch my box of interest. Holy fuck. Yeah, this is what I love. If you expect something, I didn't even move my stop loss. Crazy. We are, guys, almost 17% up in 3 trades, and it took almost 2 hours of London session. Crazy. 17% up. Wonderful. And this is how I trade, guys. This is what I want to teach you. This is even without the real volume. Yes, this is reading the price action. I made my account only by this the stuff from intermediate course. And yeah, with real volume it is easier, but at first you all need to understand the price action. Okay, guys. that's it. If you have questions, please send me on Discord, on main chat, or private message. I hope you learned something. I will put this soon on the member zone as a recording. I really thank you for joining me. I still almost all of you are here. 25 guys. Beautiful. Thank you. Really, it's motivating me to do the next Zoom. And I was so scared. Thank you guys. I really much appreciate for your nice words. And I wish you all beautiful, nice weekend. By me, the raining stopped. I see some blue sky, some places, so maybe I will also have a nice weekend. Great session. Thank you guys, and what? See you Monday. Bye bye.